This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning, everyone. This is video number 20 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we are going to show 3 more functions: trim, lower, and upper. Trim function. This function replaces multiple spaces with a single space. It takes only one argument, which is the text you want to trim. For example here, if we have Bisho's Emir with 2 spaces and you want to make it 1 space, trim function do it. It takes only one argument, which is the text you want to trim, and the result, as you can see here, Bisho's Emir with 2 spaces is turned into Bisho's Emir with 1 space. Lower function. This function replaces any capital letters with small one within a given text. It takes only one argument, which is the text you want to lower it. For example here, Bisho's Emir, the P and S capital is replaced with P and S small. It takes only one argument, which is the text, and the result, as you can see it. Upper function. It is just the opposite. Replaces any small letters with capital 1. Same syntax here. As you can see it, Bisho's Emir is turned all of them with capital letters. It takes only one argument, and the result, as you can see it. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. To remove the extra spaces, we use trim function equal trim, and we want to trim these texts. Here we go. Copy and paste. To turn it all of letters to be small letters, we use the lower function. And the text is here, this one. Turning all letters to small one. For upper letters, we say upper. We can choose this one or this one, anyone will work. And here we go. Thank you very much for watching this video, and see you next one.